Alright, welcome back here in Wake Up Ilocos, and you're still here with us on its live act session. Ayan. So right now I would like to do a song, something from the script. I would like to dedicate the song to Jana. And of course, I think nagawan ko to ng video noon, of course, with Cedric. That was, I think, 5 months ago. If I'm not mistaken, ayun. Going back to the corner when I first saw you, gonna camp in my sleeping bag. I'm not gonna move. Got some words on a cardboard, got your pictures in my head saying, if you'd see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to hand me money, they don't understand. I'm not a broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man. I don't wanna make no sense. What else can I do? How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? Cause if one day you wake up and find you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where that I could be, thinking maybe you'd come back here to the place down with me, and you'd see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving. Policeman says that you can't stay here. I said, someone I'm waiting for, it's a day, months, a year. Gotta stand my ground, even if it's rain or snow. She changes her mind, it's the first place she won't go. Cause if one day you wake up and you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where all this hurt I could be, thinking maybe you'd come back here to the place down with me, and you'd see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving, I'm not moving, I'm not moving. People talk about the guy who's waiting on a curve. No, but I know who's in his shoes, put a big hole in his world. No, no, no. Maybe I'll get famous, it's a matter can't be moved. And maybe you want me to, but you'd see me on the news, and you'd come running to the corners. Cause you know it's just for you. I'm the man who can't be moved. I'm the man who can't be moved. Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where all this hurt I could be, thinking maybe you'd come back here to the place down with me, and you see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving, I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah, I'm not moving. Going back to the corner where I first saw you, gonna come in my sleeping bag. I'm not gonna move. Once again, thank you so much. That was something with the script. Peace, man. Thank you.